Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the electronic cash register and confirming supplies, paper roll, cables, and network. Once done, log in with your operator ID and enter the opening float, for example $200, to initialize transactions for your shift. Make sure the date and time are correct, because receipts and reports depend on them. Finally, print a quick test receipt to verify the printer and cutter work. This first sequence gets the register ready, so you can ring sales accurately and avoid reconciling errors later. You now process a sale, scan the barcode or enter the PLU code, and verify the item name and price on screen. When needed, apply modifiers such as size or extras, then add discounts as a percentage or fixed dollar amount, making sure tax settings apply automatically. If a customer splits payment, use the split tender function to accept cash, card, or gift card in any combination. Once the card is correct, press subtotal so you can review totals and select the appropriate payment type to finalize the sale. You finish by accepting payment, printing the receipt, and closing the drawer securely. Once done, run an X report to check ongoing totals. At shift end, run the Z report to zero out daily totals and generate the official closing record. Count and secure cash, reconcile against the opening float and receipts, then log out or switch operator. If something goes wrong, like the drawer won't open or totals don't match, recount cash, reboot the register, verify operator ID and last transactions, and contact tech support if discrepancies persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.